There is, however, one area, namely self-sufficiency, where resilience is most evident. It is in our drive towards self-sufficiency and sustainability. Faced with rising costs and limited resources, the department has expanded agricultural production, workshops, and internal manufacturing capabilities. These are not only cost-saving measures, but also rehabilitation tools that equip offenders with practical skills and restore a sense of purpose. After opening bakeries at Standerton and Pietermaritzburg in 24-25, the initiative expanded into 25-26 with a new bakery in Durban, bringing the total to 12 bakeries. This has enabled the department to save more than 77.1 million rand on bread in the 25-26 financial year. The 13th bakery at KwaLa-Kabusha is nearing completion and will be operational this financial year. We aim to have 7 more bakeries by the end of 2028. Chairperson, we are steadily moving towards a model of greater self-sufficiency, where each management area is equipped with its own bakery. Let's hope by the end of 28 that we will be 100% self-sufficient in terms of bread. From farms production and producing vegetables, meat and dairy, to workshops manufacturing uniforms, furniture and essential goods, the department is steadily reducing its reliance on external procurement, which enhancing offender development. During 25-26, the value of production workshops orders from client departments was 101.7 thousand rands as at the end of February 26, which included the departments of Water and Sanitation, Defence, Public Works, Justice and Development, and the Office of the Inspecting Judge. There is a brochure here in the portal in the front where I invite you to go and look what we do manufacture. This is inadequate, and therefore I am once again formally extending the invitation to other departments to follow in these departments to order furniture from the Department of Correctional Services. From April 25 to February 26, the Witbank Textile Workshop manufactured 40,869 items for officials' uniforms, an increase of 13,047 items compared with the previous financial year. So there is progress. In the 25-26 financial year, savings of 125 million rand were realized through internally produced agricultural commodities.